Abusafo, I need you to watch this video real quick. We are now about shape, and I'm in Kenya. As I'm on channel.
Come into a media come a movie send me president didn't Does it make sense to you? So also gold, would you cut oil? Gold for oil. Why don't you sell your gold, make the money and go and buy the oil and go through a middleman? Me man go school. But economics in a gumitri mukete. Man go school. Simple things that we can do. And I'm surprised. You see, we have the men. We are hailing this. We are hailing gold for oil. Jesus Christ. We need to move. Move.
Jimmy NPP for Jimmy, me will be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party.
Nyame Dr. Bawumia ne dana do som ne de ese Ghana fo nyina hwehwe sa nyame kro na chiri kwan ne nyina ye som no ene nyankopon a Dr. Bawumia asom na gu Kennedy Japan wede mu ase Kennedy Japan ene wa very sad if you say under this useless NDC government Bank of Ghana deputy governor any Bank of Ghana workers e wo London na omobo Dr. Bawumia baso for introducing good for oil policy. God for oil policy at Kennedy Japan last year, Okotina TV Sunni radio so. Edi Bawumia tem eka kasentrie attack this noble forward thinking policy. Ene NDC abanya no mutum say economic gains are making because of good for oil policy, a good purchase program, and a good for reserve. And I can Japan then if the fundamentals of the economy and with the exchange rate will expose you. And as answer unyan kebim because NDC are buying almost same. AYɛ Bawumia policies or the buyer no nene amasidi no ahodi agina ne na so. Papa we dey me say obi a wo support no obi a wo defend no enne saa ni pakoro no woni APP ho do saa ni pakoro no ida say ye nafu obebibi na de ewu ana say eya bro ne bayi enti no modi nachi fi so hwe abura papa edi NPP aban edi NPP party ene wonya akukuduo akwakofa form say ye man be ye flag bearer megire hu ana mentiase and you have some people following him. And KNDC mua, they have pushed him out. I'm found that crowd they pushed him out. They pushed MPP for Musurade, MPP for you are Feru, MPP for Passe Musurasem. And it's a shame. Abusia, Dr. Bawumia Nyamisu. Me say give time some time. Propaganda ne draw mu ye fa Bawumia hu nyina they are being exposed one after the other. And deputy governor of Bank of Ghana onye MPP ni oye adwuma ma NDC aban. Wa ba be ka ne plane enye plane fa. I say economic improvement da ye hu nene under this NDC government. Ye fa credit ne ma Dr. Bawumia. Dr. Bawumia Gold4Oil program, the gold purchase program, the gold for reserve program or introduce here no and I'm a no. I appreciate in value. I'm inflation so as in form drastically. Me say Dr. Bawumia is an asset to Ghana and the NPP. Since I shall say DCD in 1965, ene fundamental problem Ghana ya face here aban ko obia ntimi solve ACD depreciation and Dr. Bawumia the lasting solution aba for ye CD no ye anko ye CD no ahoɔden in gold ye sha say ye to gold or Ghana enye no before say Bawumia no cry ba be wo no but obi anhunu sa nyansa ne say ye betimi e de ye gold abo ye CD ne ho bra ama CD ne enya ahoɔden against the dollar until Dr. Bawumia buy aya na ebi no mu kasa adenti na last year wanye some of you people, you don't follow things, you don't read. In 2022, see the new free somewhere 6 cedis, it could do 16 cedis. And Dr. Bawumia Gold4Oil policy by because nani ema dollar nebo kosro forest change ya near the aquacoto crude oil from on nearby. Into all the Gold4Oil policy by and Mobasham dollar free 16 cedis able do 8 cedis at a point. Yes. And China US almost 20 or more fiscal policy name or more monetary policy. Because they wanted to tame inflation, and my dollar home by to the extent say even almighty pound for lay for the first time in several decades. Euro every 1-to-1 with dollar for the first time in several decades. So I didn't so a buy no. Emma see the then shall say a conform. And Dr. Bawumia said there be. Yemfa a gold purchase program on bra. Near friends who yemfa gold for reserve and bra. Now, anchor seed in gold. Now, all the economic policy be say about it takes time before say any effect. It is our gold purchase program at Dr. Bawumia at the buy no. As soon as so a year abapano, a fena aswa Ghana for yet. And unfortunately, he's not in power to enjoy the fruit of his labor. But Ghana for you have a choice to bring him back. NPP for you have a choice not to deny Ghana this quality human capital. Ana Kevin Kasabra what the papa to bibre. What you trust is so here a friend say why antema. What you trust is so here in Sasa why can see animu. Snassi did another what money name Sibia ope. Just see me by na me show the video bi. O say na do no abon in ebekuno na jama ma de ne bon in kuno. Jama ma de na mumu ye enkuno. Nana do boni bekuno Kevin Taylor kan ye no nana ayi de da Muhammad ye ne boni bekuna musimu yiva ate wan mu maame che mu maame che ndisi fo amuwa
me pacha wo sura men like Mr. wo sura and like it wa fro sura and like Mr.
mu chimi se duabo what mu chimi wasafo mu nitire nana do ayi adunya sani wonu kura mudi na de na manfanya na edu baby na papa no ntimi nkasa mitimi hwe na na do se na mitini sio age se edue woni patirim ekadue ni nyina na do Muhammad na ha akire mo ka se mo be fa mi se we bia ba bedi 2024 enti se ye di matem se Kevin Taylor betena se o di panimfo atam nyina ene mama Kevin Taylor aba me ya protect no dabi o na na mo keka won obi a wadu amakwa kwatete tomato sida NDC fo ne na mamuofo nyame ntia mo ka o nana ne mu ntia mo ka ne munni se de munyuma tie nana nom o mu ntia mo ka
me ayi instalenda me ba na manual noel na fine boy na wajimi sa no
mama mo fi no omo reply obi comments e man di pa dey relevant reply e mo dey relevant wa no
manuel we dey on ma fere ama we say when your baby is na wajimi onim say wajimi o sha wa ho